dealing with those that you don't adjust on the first visit. Okay, how do we deal with that? So first of all, this needs to begin in many cases often on the new patient phone call. I certainly noticed in the last 5 or 6 years in practice that we would have patients calling up and they'd often ask a question, will I have an adjustment today? We had a way that we answered this, and it was pretty much like this. The goal is to get started with your care as soon as possible. If Dr. Angus has all the information that he needs to adjust you today, then he'll definitely begin. And that was our truth. If I had everything that I needed, then I was absolutely going to adjust them. And the goal is to get started as soon as possible. Now, for most people, this was a sense of relief. Now, think of it, particularly if they've had previous chiropractic care where they've had an adjustment every time they've gone in there. It doesn't make sense to not have one. And so this was our truth there again. So again, we would say something like this. If somebody asked, absolutely, the goal is to get started with your care as soon as possible. And if Dr. Angus has all the information he needs to adjust you today, he will definitely begin.